My name is Gabriel Miller, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Compass app. So this app is very helpful in anything really. You can wherever you are, you can open up the Compass app and see which way you're going, which direction you're in, and to help with a lot of things. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna swipe to the left or swipe up where you are able to search up things in the home screen, and you're gonna type in compass, right? And when you see this icon come up, the compass icon, as you can see on the top, you're gonna press on that, and it will open you up to this. And as you can see, you have a nice compass right here. Very cool. And what you're gonna do is my phone is right now facing southwest. That's why it says southwest on the bottom. And as I turn my phone, you can see I'm going to west now. I'm going to north, east, and south. And yeah, so as you move, it will keep changing and telling you how many degrees southwest you are, or how many degrees west you are, or north and forward. Yeah. So that's how you use the Compass app, and you swipe out of that. So thank you for watching this week's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you want to enroll in a full class, you can visit the website, millerseniortech.com. Thank you.